Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive right into a kind of terrifying reality for tech workers in 2026.
For junior devs, the entry-level market hasn't just shifted, it's been completely closed off and launched into orbit.
You used to learn by doing grunt work, right? Well, today, that crucial stepping stone is totally gone.
Tools like Claude and Copilot now instantly handle all that tedious stuff that used to train up juniors.
Get this, right now, a mind-blowing 48% of all new code is actually generated by AI.
But here's the wild paradox. As AI spits out code instantly, system bug rates are actually going up.
We're dealing with massive cognitive debt. AI literally hallucinates fake packages and sneaks in invisible security flaws.
Instead of coding, devs now spend a staggering 60% of their time just babysitting and debugging AI.
Yet, despite those scary layoff headlines you're seeing, overall tech hiring is actually up 31%. Crazy, right?
Hiring for AI-specific roles is up 60%. This proves we've got a skills crisis, not a jobs crisis.
So, here's the deal. You absolutely must evolve from a basic software engineer into a true product engineer.
The 2026 market demands T-shaped architects. You need to audit AI code and totally nail complex business logic.
Just producing code is a commodity now. Architecting resilient, distributed systems, that's the new premium human skill.
To survive, you're going to need this three-phase action plan to build a highly resilient profile for 2026.
Phase 1, master Linux and operating systems. Why? Because AI simply cannot debug a blocked network port.
Phase 2, develop deep expertise in one specific language so you can ruthlessly review and validate AI code.
Phase 3, master the delivery pipeline, complex Git versioning, Docker, and totally secure cloud system integration.
The market literally only rewards problem solvers now. So, are you a code producer or a system architect?